Bont and Thaler, they said that in their studies in the 80s, they said markets tend to overreact to negative news, which leads to above average returns 6 to 12 months after. They call that mean reversion. Secondly, trade wars cause temporary but severe slowdown. So Amidi, Redding, and Weinstein, that's a hell of a name, right? I don't think it's the Weinstein. It's another Weinstein. They wrote a paper in 2019 at the National Bureau of Economic Research, very smart people, where they said that U.S. tariffs and retaliatory tariffs lead to short-term inflation, reduce business investment because everybody's nervous, nobody knows what to do, and stock market underperformance. Stock market underperformance. So this is what you're getting. You're going to have inflation, you're going to have reduced business investment, and you're going to have some stock market underperformance. But they tend to believe that this stuff is not long term. Here's another paper by Fama in French. I remember Eugene Fama. Basically, they found that historically, pay attention. I want y'all to remember this. Listen to this. Buying during downturns leads to superior 5-year returns, especially in value stocks and small cap stocks. Value stocks and small cap stocks. So what's a value stock? A value stock is basically a stock that's a good value, that appears to be a good value based on measures. They call it ratios. They call them things like book to market, price to earnings ratio. There are a lot of good values out there. There are a lot of good value stocks. And then also, if you're talking about small cap stocks, well, there's a Russell 2000 small cap index. I'll give you guys the ticker. I'm not telling you what to buy. I don't do that. I don't tell you what stocks to buy. So I want to make that clear. Although I do have what Dr. Boyce is buying. If you go to drboystockmarket.com, you can take a look at that and join our stock market investors club if you want to. All right, so let's see. The Russell 2000 index, the ticker symbol is RUT, R-U-T, R-U-T. This one has taken a bath like everything else. Last 3 months is down by 19%. It's ripe for an explosion. It's ripe to go up once you see once some of this is over. Okay, so just not telling you what to do, but I can tell you that there's opportunities in this market, a lot of opportunities. Just as many opportunities pop up when the market goes down as there are when the market comes up. And since you are intelligent, conscious investors, you know that that this too shall pass, that today is not all that there is, and that there are that investing is something where you don't invest today for today, you invest today for tomorrow. So you're not thinking about what's going to happen next week, next month, or even next year. You're thinking about what's going to happen over the next 5 years. And all the studies show that over the next 5 years, that basically the rich people, the smart people, the smart money, the ones who are going to be rich, they're already making plans. They're already making plans. Now, some of you, do me a favor really quick. Could you please hit the thumbs up button, thumbs up, share, subscribe. And as you do that, give me 1 second. I'm going to go and shut my door. And also, if you want to get access to a list of my favorite AI stocks, just text the word stock to the number 87948. So text stock to 87948. While you do that on your phone, I'm going to go and shut this door. Hold on real quick. Okay, I'm back. I'm actually traveling because I'm giving that speech tomorrow at St. Stephen's Church. So I'm here supporting my boy and supporting my hometown. You know, you got to rep the city, and I rep the Ville everywhere I go. All right, just like Muhammad Ali did. He was from Louisville too. All right, so here are some other things you can do if you're into options. This is a great time to look into call options. Call date, long dated call options, bull call spreads, things like that. If you're not sure what all that is, feel free to join our options class. Go to drboyceprime.com, drboyceprime.com, and we do options all the time every week. Also, the tech and AI sector, I think, is a great place to put money.